I'm going to show you how to make Mao Zedong pork belly.
It is also called Hong Sao Yo, braised red pork. The recipe is simple with few ingredients. The meat is simmered with soy sauce, sugar, and rice cooking wine, so it is tender and very tasty. To make this dish, use a piece of low-fat pork belly. Start by cutting the pork belly into pieces of 1 inch by 1 inch. Keep the rind, it contains collagen. After cooking, it becomes tender and gelatinous, which adds a pleasant texture to the final dish. Prepare the aromatics. Cut 3 shallots into chunks. Crush 3 cloves of garlic. Remove the skin. Also crush 20 grams of ginger. By crushing them, we release their flavors better. Prepare 4 tablespoons of Shaoxing cooking wine. To prepare the seasoning sauce, in a bowl put 1 tablespoon of 5-spice powder. In mixed of star anise, Sichuan pepper, clove, cinnamon, and fennel seeds. You can easily buy this 5-spice powder or make it yourself by watching my video. Combine with 2 tablespoons of light soy sauce. Add the 4 tablespoons of dark soy sauce for an intense taste and color. Add a half teaspoon of salt. Mix. In a saucepan heated over high heat, put 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil and 2 tablespoons of sugar. Spread a little and let caramelize. When the caramel starts to form around the edges, stir a little to harmonize. As soon as the smoke appears, add the Shaoxing cooking wine, being very careful with the splashes. The alcohol evaporates quickly, leaving subtle aromas. Add 60 centiliters of water. The pieces of meat. The aromatics and the seasoning sauce. Mix. Put a lid on and bring to a boil. When the preparation begins to boil, turn to very low heat and simmer with the lid for 1 hour and 30 minutes. This slow cooking allows the flavor to develop and the spices to penetrate the meat and the rind. After 1 hour and 30 minutes, take out the pieces of meat. Take 3 ladles of cooking juice by filtering them. Thicken it over high heat, uncovered, for about 10 minutes. The gelatin released during the slow cooking helps thicken and bind the sauce. Pour it over the meat. The Mao Zedong pork is ready. Bon appétit! I love the rind of this dish. The meat is rich in flavor. Its red color also brings good luck. Keep the sauce to simmer some hard-boiled eggs in it for 20 minutes. You can also store it in the freezer and use it to cook some other meats. Thank you and see you at the next homemade dish on Morgan Recipes.